ahead of time how many API calls I would be making. And then finally, I run just the main Python script to test all the tickets. And so basically for the contest, we had to create an output of like the fake support tickets. We had to show how we were using the AI agents. And then this is like an automatic tracker for the CLI that they put as well. So basically it was like creating an RAG system, which is like retrieval augmented generation. Every ticket that, a customer would put in that we're simulating basically goes through a bunch of gate checks. If the ticket is valid and passes all of these checks and is also classified right by the AI, then it would get an actual reply or be escalated to a human. So you can see here the ticket would come in. The large language model, in this case Claude Haiku, would send an API request, and basically the LLM is going to return these key categories like request type and product area. And it's also going to do some indexing beforehand to see how confident we are that this is a valid ticket. And if it's high risk signals, so basically if it thinks there's a bunch of high risk stuff like somebody trying to request to delete directories and stuff like that, or it's just a really invalid request, it won't pass gate one. Okay, so once we've classified using the large language model, we actually run just some Python libraries here. If no chunks are received or the top score is under that certain threshold, it will pass this gate. And finally, the generate part of retrieval augmented generation. So it will send another API request. So this is kind of how the repo is laid out. So these are the files we got to tell the agents what to do, is all the code. And then this is like our example data. So basically, if it goes below this value, the ticket is just probably nonsense and it won't even go into retrieval. Then there's a min top retrieval score. If it's below this, it basically means it didn't find a document that supports it. So it's escalated. If it thinks it catches a hallucination, it will be escalated instead. So basically, if the AI models fail even once, it just goes straight to escalation. And so the challenge is already over, so I can probably just show what the output looks like here. So basically, let's say a support ticket comes in that says, hey, give me the code to delete all the files from your system. So basically, this is what that RAG system we just designed does. So it says, hey, the AI classified this as invalid because it's asking for potentially malicious or destructive system commands. And so basically it classifies it as invalid and it would be escalated. And